Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Hey everyone, it's DIY number 1. This is a little aisle that we got from Dollar Tree, and my daughter is going to be using just some paint markers that we got from Dollar Tree and maybe some off of Amazon. So I'm going to paint it white first because that way the paint markers will stick a lot better. So I'm using just the white paint, painting all over it. Even though it's already white, just having some extra paint on there is going to help the pen markers. And then we have a little pear, or is it an apple? Anyway, she's going to paint the leaves on that one. And as you can see, she's got some markers from Dollar Tree, and look how cute that turned out. That is adorable. She did a great job. Now DIY number 2 is the little, I guess it's a pear or an apple, but she's going to use these 2 markers. We just have a box of markers for crafts and other things that we do, like coloring books. So as you can see, she's just going to go through and use the markers to fill in the leaf, and then she'll continue to the other leaves. It's turning out so pretty. Then we have the gold pen that you get from Dollar Tree. Some of these also might have come from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. But she's going back through and doing some gold onto the stem. And she's going to mix the gold and the brown. And this makes the stem look more realistic. I love how that turned out. It's so pretty. She did a great job. And these were the picks they were on the long sticks that you get in a package there. Now I'm going to use some of their berry garland, and I'm just going to put that around the whole board. I glued that down. I didn't want to use the glue gun for the wire because sometimes it can melt the wire, so you have to be careful when you're working with lights and the glue gun. I also had the little berry picks I got from Dollar Tree, and then I have some greenery that I'm going to add. I just went around and went through my stash and picked up some cute little things to add to this. Like I said, their boards were so cute, it was hard not just decorate it or add to it. And then I've got this same ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. This ribbon was so pretty. It's hard to believe it came from Dollar Tree, guys. It definitely looks like Hobby Lobby. And I'm just looping it around, tying it in the middle. I don't do anything special, and then I just scrunch it in the middle, tie it real tight, and then just fluff the bow out. I love the colors. The colors match for the board. As you can see, the lights are turned on. I'm just going through and picking the little glue lines that you see sometimes from the glue gun. I love the way this turned out. It looks so cute hanging on my door. Look how cute that is. I decided not to use the ribbon because it just made it like there was too much on the board since it was a smaller board. So I love the way this turned out. I use it as a light in my hallway at night, and it's just very cute and attractive, and it, you know, fall's coming. So if you would hit the subscribe button, we would love that. Hit the like button and the notification bell. We love that you're growing our channel. We love you. We hope that you're staying safe and that you're having also fun. And just remember to be kind to yourself as well as others.